A farmer used to grow pumpkins in his field, and once he did something very unusual. Normally, pumpkins grow to a very large size, but when the pumpkin was very small, what the farmer did was he put a pot onto the small pumpkin to see what happens. So he noticed that the pumpkin grew to the size of the pot and it stopped growing. So the pot had actually limited the growth of the pumpkin. You may be wondering, what has this experiment to do with your life? Well, the pot symbolizes your belief, and you can never grow beyond the belief that you hold in your mind. For example, if you believe that you cannot learn any new things, what you are actually doing is you are putting a pot on your learning capacities. So you will never be able to learn more than what you already know. Or let's take that you believe that you cannot earn more than 25,000 rupees per month or 50,000 rupees per month. Then what you are actually doing is you are putting a pot on your earning capacities. So you will never be able to earn more than the limit you set for yourself. So never ever set a limit to your learning and earning capacities. Here's a belief you can adopt and repeat to yourself several times a day as an affirmation. And it goes like this: I believe that there are no limits to my learning and earning capacities. I believe that there are no limits to my learning and earning capacities. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So see you again in my next video. Until then, bye.